Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to create a ticket on Jira. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to atlassian.net. Once you're here, select the square on the upper left. Then, switch to Jira software. Once you're here, tap on Create on the upper middle. In here, there will be a pop-up that says Create Issue. For project, first select which project has an issue. Then on issue type, select the drop-down and then you'll be able to choose. In here, add the status, and then the summary of the issue. Then the next will be add to a description. And then under Assignee, select a person you will need to assign to resolve the issue. You can also add labels if you scroll down further, and there are many other things that you'll need to fill up so that it will be easier for your team. You can also add attachments as well. Once done, select Create on the bottom right. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.